Welcome to this tutorial on how to disable the inner content block width in your WordPress site in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the main WordPress page. Once you arrive at the home page, locate the login option positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button, which will take you to the authentication page and allow you access to the dashboard where all your site management tools reside. After clicking login, you will be presented with a few options to sign in. If you prefer to use your existing Google account for a quicker and smoother experience, simply select the Continue with Google option. You will then be asked to choose the Google account you wish to use for accessing your WordPress site. This method ensures that you can bypass longer login procedures and get right into your site management experience with ease. Upon successful login, direct your attention to the section called Quick Links on your dashboard. In this area, locate the option labeled Edit Site. Selecting Edit Site will launch the site editor, which is the central hub for making customizations and adjustments to your website's appearance. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to navigate through various customization options effortlessly. Within the site editor, the next step involves finding your carousel group. The carousel group is a distinct collection of content blocks on your site that you will be modifying in a moment. Click on this group to open it, as this action will provide you access to the editing tools specific to this section of your website. Once the group is open, shift your focus to the Block tab. The Block tab is where you will see a list of individual blocks included in the carousel group. This tab is fundamental because it displays the settings that control the appearance and behavior of each content block. After accessing the Block tab, move on to the Gear Icon tab. The gear icon is a universal symbol for settings and configurations, and clicking on it will reveal a series of advanced customization options. In the settings menu that appears, locate the layout section. The layout section contains various options related to the design and structure of your content blocks. Within the layout section, search for the setting named Inner Blocks Use Content Width. This is the key setting that controls whether inner content blocks adhere to a predetermined width. Toggle this option off to disable the fixed content width. By doing this, you free your inner content blocks from the constraints of a default width, allowing them to adjust more fluidly and match your specific design requirements. Following these steps gives you greater control over the overall layout and design of your site. Disabling the fixed content width means that your inner blocks can now adapt dynamically, ensuring that your website can meet various display criteria or design preferences as needed. This method is particularly useful if you aim for a more responsive, custom design that does not rely on preset constraints. By navigating through WordPress, signing in with your Google account, accessing the Edit Site tool from Quick Links, selecting the Carousel group, exploring the Block tab, entering the settings via the gear icon, and finally turning off the Inner Blocks Use Content Width option in the Layout section, you have now completed the process. Enjoy the enhanced flexibility and design possibilities that this change brings to your WordPress website.